Hi guys, it's Jamie. I don't know where my camera is this morning. Yes, we finally do have power back on. Thank you, Jesus. The last 5 to 6 days has been very challenging, very stressful, and just glad to be back online. So guys, I'm going to show you, this is my PayPal debit card. And what I'm doing is I have found a couple of sites that I've been checking out. One of them is just called Just Play. You go in, you download games, you play, and they pay you some money for playing the games. If you meet, like your goal, you can maximize your payout or, you know, whatever. It's not a very a lot amount, just depending. Right here I have wrote down what I've cashed out for the day, depending on how long I have played, what games I played. So what I'm doing with this is all going to my PayPal. This is going to be for like a savings challenge for me. Something to do in my spare time when I'm bored. And of course, right now, y'all know I'm in the process of the disability. It's just been one struggle after another lately. Hopefully, it's changing and everything's going to get good. So, I took some of the money that I had made and downloaded this little penny challenge, this little one. It's not stressing me out because you can do it in quarters. And it comes in two. You got your bigger ones this way and your smaller ones here. So this is what I'm going to do with it. So I did use PayPal to buy this challenge. So my total that I have in here right now is $37.67. So we are going to see what we can do with that. How many can we color in with this? And since this is the first sorry, I have Mabby today. School is still out because of not having power in some of the areas. We are going to see how many of these I can color in today. I know my little ink pen here is called Dream Crusher, which I've got another one over here. It's Leave Me Alone. Let me find my camera. Leave Me Alone. And shh, no one cares. Okay, I've had these for a long time. I just now dragged them out. So we are going to start with the bottom and see how far we can get to the top. We go with the largest first. So we got this one done. Sorry if you can hear my stomach growl. I have not ate today. I've not really felt up to par in getting stuff started. Y'all can see the calculator here. Here. So we're right here at this one. It has just been, devastating for a lot of people in our area. Our friend had lost his house due to a big tree coming in. And then what money I did have put back, I had to go buy groceries because we lost everything in the freezers. But you know what? And that was something I told my husband. Yeah, it was a little inconvenience. It was disheartening, but we still have our house. we still have our house, so we're good. I got my washer going. The best thing about it all was actually getting to take a hot shower, which, you know, that is something that we take for granted. That's crazy. You know, we are so spoiled by the electric, the water, the refrigerators, you know, that when it goes out, it's like a big convenience. Guys, I have learned over the years how to adapt and overcome, even though it is a little depressing at times. But I made coffee. Oh my goodness, you guys, it was so funny. My Mr. Coffee pot that brews, you know, big pots of coffee. Not my little Keurig. God, I miss my Keurig so bad. But when the power was off, I got my Mr. Coffee out. And wait a minute. I think something's going on here. Am I adding or subtracting? Because it just don't look right. Hold on for just a minute. Let me go back and redo this. Okay, I went back. Yep, I was doing it right. It just didn't look right. Okay, so getting back to what I was saying, which I can't remember what I was saying, but a big inconvenience of not having water or anything like, well, we had water, but electricity and my coffee. So I took my Mr. coffee pot, dragged it out, put the filter in, put the coffee in, took an old pot that I had, filled it full of the correct amount of water, and took it out and heated it up to almost a boil on the grill. Brought it in, slowly poured it through the coffee in the filter, and that is how I made coffee during this weird craziness that we went through. Which is okay. I mean, we made it through it. So, yeah, and during the time of charging everything, we charged the phones in the car and didn't have nothing to do except for I played these little games and just made a few little dollars. I figured it would be a rip-off, but it's not. I mean, like I said, you don't make hundreds of thousands of dollars on it, but you do make a little bit. And every little bit in this day and time helps, because God knows that replacing everything, well, we couldn't replace everything that we lost. I mean, you know, we just had to go get a few groceries for a few days. It's just been so unbelievable how much devastation this storm has caused to a lot of people. A lot of inconvenience, a lot of death. You know, my niece, she just now got back from Asheville. She's been trying to get home from Asheville for the last 3 days, and she just finally made it back last night. Asheville got hit really hard. Florida got hit really hard. And I just continue to pray that, you know, everybody stays safe and can find light at the end of the tunnel, because it was pretty aggravating, guys. A big inconvenience, like I said. You know, we get spoilt And then when we don't have the necessities of everything that we're used to, we kind of get a little aggravated and upset. But I will, when I get through with this, I will show you what apps I was using to just, you know, if you're bored, don't have nothing to do, you can sit and play games. They're kind of fun. I'm not big on some of them that they want you to test out, but some of them is halfway decent. And you know, if I get any little extra cash or anything, I will take it and put it on my PayPal account and, you know, just do this challenge. I've got a big update that's going to be coming out in a little bit. I'm going to walk you guys, walk and talk, I guess is what I'm going to call it today. It'll be a walk and talk and just show you some things that has happened here on my little cozy neighborhood. Well, we almost finished this one out. Like I said, every little penny counts. And you have the opportunity to cash out every day on one of the apps. It don't matter if you want to cash out 11 cents, they will throw 11 cents into your PayPal account. The other one, you have to have a maximum of $2, and you can either cash it out at 2 or you can let it grow. I was listening to Maverick in there. He's so sweet. And then 0.23. Then we have 2 left, so I'll just go up here and color his 2. This 7's challenge here is Budget Better Life on Etsy. That's where I found it at. So we done that many with what little bit that I have made by playing the games. So the other one, let's see, there's one that's called Test Her Up. You can use it. I've made $10 on this one, but you can't cash out until you hit 70. And then the other one is Play Test Pro. And these right here are the games that I've been playing with it. And then Just Play is got different games you can download and play. This one you can cash out at every 3 hours. And right now I have $1.61 in there. And I got 56 minutes until the cash out to make whatever I need to make to get to $2. So, yep, I mean, you know, guys, it's not a very lot of money, but it's a little bit of something. So, that's it, and I will see you all in my next video. And, you know, guys, just keep everybody in your prayers and hope that this other little storm that's brewing out in the Caribbean does not form, and everybody can stay safe and dry out, because we have had rain here every day for the last 8 days, and it is just so wet and you can't hardly get out and do anything. But with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.